Master Wheels are an advanced wheel controller developed by DJI for professional cinematography. It uses high-precision sensors, advanced control algorithms, and state-of-the-art product design to deliver the exact smooth camera movement needed on set. For seasoned professionals who want nothing less than the finest command over their shot, Master Wheels offer classic control reimagined. CNC machined components provide steady operation, while ultra-high resolution optical encoders transmit even the subtlest wheel movements. The informative main control console includes 3 customizable buttons that enable quick adjustment of settings. A 3-stop toggle switch on each wheel module controls gimbal direction. Dials control speed, smoothness, and damping. A modular design lets operators adjust the angle between wheels or completely detach them from the base. With a cable connection, users are free to control wheels wherever and however they need. Dual-frequency 2.4 and 5.8 GHz wireless transmission system supports a range of up to 3 kilometers when used with the included DJI wireless receiver, and wired connections keep latency as low as 10 milliseconds. For adaptability to every environment, the radio transmission module is fully detachable. Master Wheels use a single TB50 intelligent battery, providing up to 18 hours of operating time, and a self-heating feature ensures functionality at temperatures as low as -20 degrees. Motion control lets cinematographers record specific movements to repeat at any time. Master Wheels are compatible with Ronin 2 and Ronin S via the included receiver, and third-party gimbals via S-Bus port. Support for more devices is coming soon. For artists in the craft of filmmaking, control the perfect shot with DJI Master Wheels.